Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Zen Lounge. I'm going to share with you guys my favorite Cosmos wallet in this video. We're going to go over some Cosmos news. In the previous videos I had on teaching people the process of staking their Corium tokens, a lot of times it was people's first experience in the Cosmos. I talked about a wallet called Leap Wallet, and Leap Wallet seems to be newer, and there's more, issues with the Leap Wallet I've been learning. Think that Kepler and Cosmos Station has been around a lot longer and definitely better options, and probably they have better support teams as well. So uh, Kepler is your interchain gateway. This is an IBC enabled wallet, and in my opinion, their marketing is true. It is a seamless interchain experience. You could hop from all different browsers and connect your web extension very easily with Kepler. They also have a mobile wallet, and they have a really nice dashboard wallet too. I'll show you the dashboard. So this is what the dashboard looks like. It shows you your token allocation, your basically your portfolio, really nice, all the different chains you're invested in. And then you could do all your governance. Here's all the different chains and the current APR they're all paying. So you can see the Cosmos Hub, Osmosis, and a lot of the premier Cosmos chains are featured here. Then when you click and go directly on your chain, this is where you're going to be able to, do your staking, your governance proposals, everything that you would do. But also, same situation, you're going to have your web extension. So you're also going to download the web extension of Kepler. So now the problem is you're going to know how to basically add the Corium chain because it's not completely enabled on the Kepler. So I'm going to teach you a little cheat code on how to enable and be able to get this Corium like I have it. See how mine looks? I could claim my rewards, I could stake it, and I could participate. Let me put my screen right. I could do everything. I could claim, I could send, I could do everything that I need to do on my Kepler dashboard. How can I do that? We're going to go to the app called Restake. You're going to go to a website called restake.app. So go to restake.app. You're going to scroll down. You're going to look for Corium. You're going to look for Corium, and then you're going to basically look at all the different chains that are available. And right here, it's going to say connect in the top right corner. What you're going to do is connect your Kepler extension. So connect your Kepler extension. And I've already done mine, but the first time you do it, there's going to be a transaction that pops up to ask if you would like to connect your Kepler to it and add the chain Corium. And when you accept that, that's when you're going to have that chain added to your Kepler, and you'll basically pop up here. And then you'll be able to, see the Corium chain on your Kepler dashboard. So what you're going to do here is click on Zen Lounge. And this is going to give you the option also on Restake to set up the auto compounding. So right here, you're able to stake. You're able to enable Restake to have auto compound. You're able to delegate and basically do everything that you need to do right from restake.app. You could also manually compound and claim your rewards. So this is how you're able to access Kepler. Definitely lot better reviews on Kepler than the Leap wallet. So I wanted to put this video out there, and now let's get into some exciting big news. So first, in the last, Atom daily active addresses has hit a 3-month high. So Cosmos is getting more and more active. Also, Osmosis Zone flips Uniswap. I talked about this in a recent video, but Osmosis has the highest number of active developers within the DEX ecospace. Here's the chart. See, in second place, we have Uniswap. We have some other protocols. Some big news today. Noble is excited to announce that they're bringing native USDC to Cosmos and boundless in IBC. Basically, just hyping up the IBC. I'm gonna be hyping up the IBC a lot in this video. And this is what they say about it. So this is a huge moment for our ecosystem. Cosmos has never had a native fiat-backed stablecoin that is highly liquid and fully collateralized. For the first time in Cosmos history, 50+ IBC-enabled blockchains and counting will soon be able to access USDC natively via IBC. This integration will catalyze hundreds of millions of dollars in liquidity over the coming months in Cosmos and will seek to rectify the challenges that users and app chains face when interacting with bridged assets. So it's going to solve a lot. Their goals are simple, simple, effective, best-in-class user experience, turnkey institutional-grade asset issuance, lead market adoption of IBC, safe and simple and seamless. Stay tuned for further announcements on asset integrations, including the official launch date for USDC on Noble. Some more groundbreaking news today. We got Ethereum going to be able to connect to IBC, the second largest market cap crypto, is going to be connecting to the IBC through Polymer Labs. Polymer Labs believes in the future where IBC is the open source interoperability standard for the whole blockchain industry. And Polymer's multi-hop upgrade is the first major step towards scaling IBC to all chains outside of Cosmos. So imagine when chains outside of Cosmos, like Ethereum, maybe the XRP ledger, other chains are able to have IBC. With exploits taking place seemingly constantly, we talk about it all the time in this channel, it's clear that interoperability is broken across the industry. In addition, issues like protocol fragmentation make building cross-chain painful and force developers to make subpar security and design trade-offs. IBC is a clear leader in interoperability protocols for security and decentralization, but various limitations preventing wide adoption. Basically, they're saying that ZK and Multi-hop and Polymer are building an optimized IBC router chain to efficiently connect chains like Ethereum via IBC. And that's what they talk about here. The multi-hop IBC upgrade will take IBC to Ethereum and beyond. And they talk about how interoperability is broken. And they mention here, IBC has such rigorous security standards and specification. IBC is not natively compatible with all major blockchains, which has prevented industry-wide adoption. Below, we'll discuss some key areas and improvements the Polymer is tackling, upgrade IBC functionality, and expand the IBC network across the industry. So they're going to basically expand IBC to a lot more chains. What they're saying right here is IBC enabled connecting Ethereum will become effectively the same as connecting to any counterpart on the Cosmos chain. So the same way that we were able to hop from different Cosmos chains with IBC, their goal is to make it just as easy to connect with Ethereum and other chains. So the adoption for IBC is just beginning, and I want to show you a bank in Japan also just announced what they're doing with it. So I posted this, IBC being used by banks in Japan. This is Cosmos' official Twitter account talks about IBC is expanding into the enterprise world. DataChain is an interchain granted team that is leading the frontier of IBC enterprise adoption, working with Mitsubishi Trust Bank and what's this one? This is someone that's developed the world's first live central bank issued blockchain for the National Bank of Cambodia. This is basically who they're working with, and the initiative is set to launch in Japan in 2022. Japan passed a revision of the Payment Service Act defining a stablecoin as an electronic means of payment. This bill will go effect into 2023, creating excitement, what could be called the first year of stablecoin. DataChain will conduct simultaneously execution of transactions on two blockchains between Corda and Hyperledger. Corda is a stablecoin issuance and management platform known as Progmat Coin, led by Mitsubishi Trust and Banking. We've talked about this a long time ago. Corda uses IBC. Hyperledger focuses on regional digital currencies by regional banks, contributes to development. IBC will play a critical role in enabling simultaneous transfers between the two blockchains. To achieve mutual transfer of multiple stablecoins, digital money on different blockchains such as Corda and Hyperledger, interconnect both blockchains is planned to use blockchain interoperability project led by DataChain, powered by the IBC. So banks in Japan have already tested and are going to be using IBC interoperability standards. They combine IBC and middleware LCP that enables interoperability with excellent scalability in addition to security. This initiative confirms IBC as a blockchain interoperability standard, empowering a new technology paradigm. So you can read more about it here. Why Cosmos IBC, let me read this. Why Cosmos IBC takes an essential role in enterprise space. And this talks about this. I'll leave this in the description below. But interoperability requirements in the enterprise, the ability to connect multiple blockchains and apply various use cases, trustless interoperability. IBC is really taking off, and we could see, the statistics of osmosis growing. Corium has IBC, which is enterprise-focused blockchain. They're saying 2023 is the year for stablecoins, and that's exactly one of their focus on smart tokens. That's one of their hyper-focus areas. Also, I want to show you guys this. So one last thing before I take off. I've been watching the speed of the blockchain since it's launched, and when we launched, it was about 2.5 seconds a block. It's actually getting faster, so the speed's actually picking up. We're now down to 2.07 seconds a block. So the Corium blockchain is getting faster. I've already experimented with sending it back and forth to people, and it's a blazing fast blockchain. So remember, guys, Airdrop is going to be distributed for everybody the first week of April. So be prepared. There's going to be more Corium coming to your XRPL wallets, I believe, and we've got the airdrops coming. Remember, guys, have an awesome day, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video about Cosmos and IBC, and stay tuned for my next video. I'll be doing a tutorial. I just did an interview with one of the visionaries behind this project, Wen Dao, the father of CosmWasm. You can watch that video. I'm going to do another video talking about LSD on Wen Dao. So if you want to turn my alerts on, subscribe to my channel, leave some comments, and I'll be back. Peace.